Hey guys, today I'm talking about Arrowmax's latest addition to their smart tool range. This is the Arrowmax SGS engraving and polishing pen. Like all the Arrowmax smart tools, it comes with the really protective aluminium case with a quick release system to get your Arrowmax tool out. Now what's really impressive with this particular one is the new charging system that Arrowmax has installed, which is magnetic. So at the bottom of the base you can see the charge port. They include with the USB a magnetic port connector, which is super cool. You can charge now your tool while it's stored securely in the case. So let's have a look. In the box we've got your Arrowmax SGS along with all the polishing adapters that you'll need to get into some fine work, and on the back all the engraving tools that you might need. Now for RC, it's really convenient for doing nice intricate work with this pen. It's really easy to handle, nice to hold, easy to set up, and works really well for the torque settings that it has. So I'm going to give you a demo on how it works. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here we have our Arrowmax SGS smart engraving tool. We're just on charge at the moment with our magnetic lead. So I'm going to show you how to set the engraving tool up. Simply unmagnetize and pop the case open. I'm going to grab our tool out here. Now the chuck is extremely easy to use. It's a pretty simple device. You get your bit, insert it into the end of the chuck. It's nice and tight. We hold this end and tighten that up finger tight, and we are ready to use. Now the SGS does have 4 different speed settings along with an auto mode. For engraving, I find the highest RPM is the better, so that is level 4. To adjust, it's pretty easy with a one-click button, a quick 3 taps, and you can adjust which mode you want. And when you're ready, it will blink and tell you that it's ready to go. And to turn on and off is pretty simple. Push and hold, and away we go. Maximum revs, and we're good to go for engraving. Simple. So I'm going to give you a demonstration on the SGS engraving tool by taking one of my RC tools here and engraving my name on it so it doesn't get mistaken with someone else's. So here we go. Simply turn the SGS engraver on. Now I might not be the best engraver, but there we go. No one's going to confuse that with one of their own tools at the track now. So as you can see, the Arrowmax SGS Smart Engraving Polishing Pen tool has limitless applications. You can use it for anything. Super convenient, lightweight, easy to use, long battery life. Get yours now at arrowmaxrc.com.